kilometers per hour.
Hello. Hello. Look at this belly. Oh my goodness. What's this? That's a chubby little belly for a little baby girl. Look at this. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. And look at these spots on her belly. Look at these spots on her belly. And you can see, she's a girl. So what? I'm trying to sleep here. My room's not ready yet. You keep playing with me. I know your ears are itchy. Her ears are really stinky, so I'm thinking it's a yeast infection. Poor baby. You wanna play? She was really enjoying this before. Huh? She says, I'm all tuckered out. She says, I've had a half a can of kitten food and some milk. She says, can I have some more? I told her to let her stomach settle. See how fat her belly is. Oh, look at this fat belly. That's a fat belly. Look at this. Oh, okay. Look at that fat belly. Woo! That's a pretty fat belly. Look at this. Oh my goodness, and she has spots on her belly. Look at that. She got spots on her belly. I don't think she likes belly rubs. No, not at all. I don't think you like belly rubs. Hi.